Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, I am going to be doing a live deposit into a yield farming position over on Aerodrome. But before we get into it, please hit the like button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter, links in the description. Go and check out the Discord servers and all that good stuff. And I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. And with that said, let's jump into it. So, Aerodrome. As you can see, I'm in two positions. Currently, one of them being WETH and USDC, producing 259.98%. And one being WETH and SUI, which is producing 159%. So I am going back into the WETH and SUI position here. I'm going to add some more money into that one. So let's do it. So what I've done is I've swapped some USDC, about $1,000 worth, nothing crazy. And what we're going to do is we are going to make a new deposit. Okay, so as you can see, it says I got some in my wallet. So I'm going to click deposit on here. And we're going to do the medium range. Okay. And as you can see, if I click use wrapped, you can see I got 0.18 WETH and 132 SUI there. So I believe it's about 1.145 or something. Just because I want to use all of this SUI up here. I don't really want any of that sat in my wallet. So as you can see, we've got covers 10% volatility. So you can see this will range between 2,800 and 3,400. This is how many SUI per Ethereum. So let's go ahead and click allow WETH. And the good thing here is that you're farming with two pretty blue chip coins, which is nice. It means you earn fees on the way up, on the way down. And let's say if Ethereum rockets, then you're going to be converted back into SUI. And if SUI plummets, then you're going to be converted into WETH. So either way, it's a win-win. You're still holding blue chips. So that's the way I look at that. Of course, there's a bit more impermanent loss because both the tokens do fluctuate, versus if it was one of them being a stable coin, then obviously it wouldn't fluctuate as much. But because they're two blue chips, they're both cryptos, then that's where the impermanent loss would come from. So as you can see, that 0.14 WETH and 134 SUI is now there ready to be staked. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to click stake, okay, and then it's going to come up with the details. I'm going to allow access to the NFT, and the NFT is just like it says, basically you own this position. Okay, you're going to click confirm. And we're going to allow Aerodrome access to that so they can deposit that and we can start earning emissions. So again, we're going to come over into MetaMask, confirm this transaction. Those lovely base transaction fees being very, very cheap. And it is staked. So if we now go over to dashboard and we come down, we've now got two of these positions, which is a bit annoying that you can't merge them. But if I wanted to merge them, what I'd have to do is I'd have to unstake. Okay, and then I would have to go and basically just do the whole thing again, which I don't really want to do. So as you can see, the APR is pretty much the same on both of them. And yeah, we now have these three positions. So that is about it. If you have enjoyed, again, pretty simple video, just adding fun. You can see we've already made a tiny amount of Aero there. So if you have enjoyed, make sure you smash a like. Let me know what positions you're in on Aerodrome. I'm now in WETH and SUI and WETH and USDC. I'm probably going to go ahead and add more to this position after a couple of days. I want to see how this APR fluctuates. This WETH and USDC position has been doing pretty well at 265%. It fluctuates between 170 and 280, I would say, which is pretty good for an Ethereum position. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you're jumping in any pools and let me know what pools you are in at the moment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.